If you're using WhatsApp, the AI would be very much helpful to you in sending the messages from time to time. How it is going to do it, we are going to see in this video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. And to get into the WhatsApp, on your homepage, wherever the WhatsApp, this icon is there, just click it on that one, that would make you into the WhatsApp. And after going to WhatsApp homepage, this is my WhatsApp homepage, and on the top you will find this Ask Meta AI Out search would be seen to you, and tap on this one, and whatever you want to ask, like I would like to send happy birthday message to some of my colleagues or my family members or anybody else, like this one. The normal happy birthday message would be very boring, so AI would be making something for you. Let's see, happy birthday, and after entering happy birthday, just tap it here. That's all. Ask Meta AI anything, and here go ahead with continue. If you are doing the first time happy birthday, this would show you so many messages here. Happy birthday, special messages starting from like romantic wishes, or if you want to send the funny wishes, and if you want to send heartfelt messages to your known members or relatives, and or otherwise birthday songs also, you can make it here. So all these things, if you want to use it, you can straight away use it from copy it and send it to that particular person wherever you want to send. Or otherwise, if you want to search for something, like see, I want to search about Google only. See, Google. So what it would be showing, we will see. Google is a search engine basically, and also having so many things. It is having global presence, advertising, technology, whatnot, everything Google is having. Google is into artificial intelligence, safety and security, Google services, search engine, everything about Google. This will throw you immediately upon your fingerprint. That's all. Tap it here. Further, it will take it to you through that particular page on Wikipedia. So this is how you can always use your AI as a part of WhatsApp, and copy the content from there, and paste it wherever you want to send. For example, if I want to send on this particular a contact, I can copy it from there and just paste it here. That's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video.